Thanks everybody for joining us here at Campion, beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia. We've got an amazing new model here, the Rage R22. I'm going to walk around the boat today, tell you all about it, show you some of the features and benefits, and what makes this boat so special. So just come along with me. First off, one of the things that sets us apart is we do all of our gel coat in the mold, so there's no transition lines between colors. We don't have to hide any of our sins with tape stripes or anything like that. It's always a quality, perfect finish. We walk through, we got our brand new Apex 2 hull. This here hull is second generation off of our first Apex. It's about 20 to 25% more efficient from the testing we've done. It's a 47.5 degree dead rise starting at the bow. It's nice and steep, so when you're in rough water, like the guys are going to be running this boat on the Great Lakes, Lake Erie, Lake Ontario, when you're coming through those waves, it's going to really cut through them and offer a nice soft ride. As we move back, the dead rise slowly decreases. About every 20 inches it decreases a few degrees until we get about 120 degrees back from the transom, and then it's going to flatten out to 19 degrees. So what that does is offer a nice stable platform when you're actually up on speed and up on plane. As we work our way back to the back side of the boat here, you'll see that we got our extended engine mounting system. It's basically like a bracketed outboard. What that does is the benefit of this is on a traditional mounted boat like a Ranger, those are engines mounted right at the transom. So your propeller's always in disturbed water. The water comes up off the back of the hull, it's aerated, and your prop is never running in a clear, clean water. By having the 16-inch offset, brings us back, allows us to get the engine up and out of that disturbed water, giving us a more efficient ride, so it equates to a lot better fuel economy. You can see here we have our kicker engine bracket mounted on here. This has got the optional kicker. They're tie barred together, so when you're doing your trolling and stuff like that, you can steer your kicker from the helm, main steering wheel. Come around this side. We have this boat equipped with our trim tabs, and you can see down here we have our side imaging sensor tucked up underneath the pod, so it's always out of the disturbed water. You're going to get a better, clearer image. 4-step ladder to get up on our extended swim platform. This is something that nobody else in the industry has. This is a big selling feature for this boat for us, as it offers a really nice platform for the family, for the water sports side of the aspect of this boat. It's also a nice platform to get down and actually get closer to the water to land those bigger fish. If you've ever seen the competition, it pretty much ends here and goes down. It's a lot higher and a lot harder to get into the water. I'm going to get inside the boat now and I'll go through some of the features. Once we get up on the back, first thing you're going to see is that we got a beautiful Springfield ski pole here. It's removable. You just twist it and it comes out. You stow it away for when you want to fish. On the back side here we have our transom mounted battery monitor. The beauty of this is that it's a one plug system, so you can just plug in at your garage or wherever you are. If you're at a hotel, you're at for a fishing derby, you can plug in. All 5 batteries will get charged off the same one plug. This is a Bluetooth connectivity monitor, so you can actually connect with an app and you can see what your battery levels are at from your hotel room or from inside your house. So you don't actually have to go out to the boat to see if your batteries are fully charged. You can just connect with the app and take a look. So that's a real cool feature. Another big thing that sets us apart with the Rage is that there's no carpet in this boat. Carpet is dirty and smelly, especially if you're catching fish. It's really hard to clean. It starts to mold. With this stuff here, it's a closed cell foam flooring product. It's a lot more durable. It's very easy to clean, just a wet rag and some water and you can wash it off. We are fortunate enough with SeaDeck is that you can put a beautiful pattern in it. We have tournament size rulers on the front and in the back. Here's our large live well. This is a aerated, oxygenated, multi-level live well. This here live well is equipped with LED lighting. It has a partition if you need to separate species of fish. Another big thing about this is it's got nice big rounded corners. It's a calming feature for the fish, as well as the light blue. It's a 37-gallon, 140-liter live well, so it's massive. And it is a pressurized system, so if you look on the back of this, there's a seal, so we can fill this live well right up to the top. And it's a zero slosh live well, so it just keeps the fish from getting slammed around in there when you're running back to the weigh-in. All of our hinges are stainless steel with slam latches. We have massive storage on this boat. Both sides, you got a spot for a bait bucket. Huge storage on these sides. You can put your 3,700 planos in here. You could probably get 30 of them on each side. Tons of storage for your tackle. When you get inside, you can see that we got multiple seating arrangements. We have 5 pedestal spots, so you can move these seats anywhere you want. If you have your downriggers mounted up on the back, you could put your seat here and fish and watch your downriggers. You can bring the butt seat up to the back or the front. You have many options with this seating arrangement. They're flipped down, fully rotating. In the back here, we have easy access to all the electrical. You have your battery chargers inside here. You have all the different connectivity areas where if you want to add electronics and things, you can. It's all right there. It's easy to get at. We have an integrated tackle holder in the back here with your plano boxes. It holds 3 plano boxes, so that's a nice feature that we have integrated into this boat. Another feature is it's a self-draining deck, so if you're washing out your boat, all the water will go to the back, it'll go down and it'll exit. We have our battery compartment here. So inside the battery compartment, I'll let you come on inside. So you can see we have a large battery compartment. This one, there's 2 separate battery compartments. This one here is going to have your house battery and your cranking battery, so they're easy access. These are the main, this is kind of the batteries that you're going to check just about every time you go out. Your bilge pumps are in here, all your seacocks to your live well, everything is right here in this central located area, so it's really easy for maintenance. As we move back a little bit more, we have tool holders integrated into the structure of the boat, as well as a couple of storage areas. You have your kicker control built right into the gunnel. It's easy access. You got your own key switch and everything from there. On the side here we have running rod racks. So these rod racks will hold probably up to about a 10 or 12-foot rod. The nice thing about these is you can put the rod in either way. So if you're running with treble hooks or you're all set up to go fishing, you can run them rigged up. Just have them all set there, ready to go. We got beautiful bolstered bucket seats. These are absolutely amazing. You got a nice flip-up bolster. They are UV resistant, waterproof. They're all equipped with the Airwave air ride system on them, so it gives you a nice, comfortable ride in that really rough water. As we move up here, you'll see we got a beautiful glove box sitting here. You can open it up, and you can see inside. It's got actually LED lighting. It's got the Rage logo inside. It's very well done. It's beautiful. We have a raw water washdown system, so you can hose off your boat right from inside. It's got a pump in there. You just flip the switch. It's like having a garden hose inside your boat, so you can wash off any fish guts, any dirt, anything that you need to. You can do it right inside the boat, and then, like I said before, the water will drain out the back. We have another tackle organizer up here in the front with more planos. You can see that there. So you have lots of extra storage for your tackle. LED cup holders. We have LED lit speakers on this boat. We have a 12 volt power point here with a USB. You plug in a USB stick and you can listen to your music on the stereo. We get over to here, the Helm. We have our Campion command, which is our new digital interface. That's digital switching, engine controls. It has your temperatures, control all your switches. You can pretty much do everything from this. It has diagnostic capabilities, it's got a compass, depth finder, everything at your fingertips right there. It's all touchscreen. We do a flush mount system in the dash, so we got a Solix 12 here. That's an upgraded system. This is a fairly loaded boat. Tilt steering with a beautiful Italian leather steering wheel. You got your Lenco trim tab controls right up there, right at your fingertips. A few accessory switches. These are the main ones that you never want to have go out. So you got your horn, you got your bilge pump, and you got your anchor lights right there at your fingertips. As we move up through, you'll see the beautiful automotive style windshield. This is a very nice feature, you know, especially to the competition. You look at their windows and they're not quite as refined and finished as this. This is a very strong windshield. There's no worries about ever having any damage, hitting a big wave or anything like this. This thing is so strong, you'll never damage it. It's all tempered glass. As we move up here, we got our massive rod locker. This rod locker will easily hold 20 to 30 rods. You got nice slots, you can slide them in there. It's a ventilated rod locker, so you don't have to worry about moisture and stuff like that. Underneath it, we hide our trolling motor batteries. So just a little secret compartment, easy to get at, and you'll have your 36-volt system on the front there. All your trolling motor batteries are all one central location, easy to access and maintain. The storage areas are lockable, so you have all your valuables in there. You don't ever have to worry about them getting stolen or missing. They're all locked away safely. We move up into the forward casting platform. We have another bait bucket location or storage. It takes a standard Freybill bait buckets. On the other side, we have a cooler. This is a drainable cooler, so you can actually fill this with ice, and if you needed to put some beverages or food or just more storage, you can do that. We have another large storage area there, another one here. These are all on compression hinges, so you know wherever you leave them, they're going to stay locked. So you don't have to worry about gas shocks, springs, any of that sort of stuff. It's a really nice system, zero maintenance, nothing to change, nothing to upgrade. Once again, slam latches. It's easy to open, easy to close. We have running rod straps here again, rod buckles. So when you got your rods all rigged up and you're ready to go to your fishing hole, you can just get them all up on here. They go in through a nice grommet. They're held down securely with the strap. This is the other fishing seat that I mentioned earlier. So it's just a nice little butt seat. You can sit here. It's a little less fatigue. It's got a shock absorber in it, so you can easily fish from here. It's rotating. It's adjustable to whatever height. As we move forward, you'll see we have another flush mounted graph. We have a Solix 10 in this boat. Another tool holder, LED cup holder, another 12 volts. So if you have your cell phone or anything up here, you can plug it in there. We got a main battery switch just for your trolling motor power, so we can isolate that. This one here is mounted with a Minn Kota removable bracket, so you can actually take this trolling motor off. If you're going to go out for a day with the family and you're not planning on fishing and you want a better sight line out the front of the boat, you can easily remove this whole trolling motor. All the wiring is easily connectable right there, so it's just pull it off, put it in your garage, put it in the back of your truck. Especially if you're staying the night somewhere and you're afraid of getting stuff stolen, you can just take it off and you don't have to worry about it. We include a ram mount stabilizer just to stabilize the arm when you're going through rough water. Typically most manufacturers would make you buy that as an add-on. It comes standard in this boat. So that is a basic walkthrough of the Rage. If you guys have any questions, I'd love to answer them.
How do you buy one?
How do you buy one? Well, you have many options to buy a Rage. You can buy one at one of our dealers in Canada or the US, or we have a out of territory program, which you could buy one direct from the factory if you're in an area where we don't have a dealership. So there's many ways to get your hands on a Rage.
What's the step height going into the bow platform?
Into there? Let's do a little measure. I think it's about 17 inches. Oh, look at that. 17 inches.
How soon can a person purchase one?
You
Are
can
they in
purchase one
stock?
right now? This boat right here is available as you speak. This one's for sale right now.
Jason, can you explain our decision on the Ultra Deck versus carpet?
So traditional boats, they use carpet, and carpet wears. It molds. It holds water. It's just not a good product. It's just industry norm, I guess, at that time, and they use it to hide their sins. We have such a beautiful boat. You know, we use the closed cell foam. It's very easy to maintain. It's a lot more durable. You can have a beautiful design in it. If anything was ever to happen, you can pull out a piece of Ultra Deck and order another piece to replace it. So your boat's always going to look brand new no matter how old it is.
What if I want some features but don't want others, such as the ski pole?
We can offer that. You can build a boat basically a la carte. You can option it however you like, or we have some very nice packages that give you a good value.
What's the warranty like?
It's a 10-year warranty, 10-year hull and deck warranty. So basically any manufacturer defects, Campion will look after you. Thanks guys, thanks for your time.